Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. You are looking for a guide on how to reset your router, restore its default settings, and then reconfigure your Wi-Fi to secure it. This is a crucial process whether you are troubleshooting issues, selling your router, or simply starting fresh with your network. Here is a complete updated tutorial on how to do that. You might need to perform a factory reset in this situation. So I'll just name some situations which might make you to reset your router. First, if at all you forgot your admin password, you can't log into your router's administrative interface, factory reset is just the solution to it. If at all you forgot your Wi-Fi password, troubleshooting persistent issues, if your network is slow, unstable, or behaving erratically and simple reboots haven't helped. You also need to do factory reset if at all you are selling or giving away your router, if at all also you have major configuration problems, and if at all after a firmware update, and if also you suspect some intrusion, if you believe your network has been compromised and want to ensure that all backdoor access is closed. Now, let's get into how to do that. This is typically a physical process using a button on your router. So we shall start with that. And the first thing you need to do is to locate the reset button, as you can see in this image here. So most routers have a small reset button on the back or bottom. It's usually labeled reset. Just find that, or a reset icon, just like this one in here. So because it's recessed, you'll need a thin pointed object like a paperclip, pen tip, or a toothpick to press it. And you can see we just used this blue thing here. So once you have it pressed, press and hold the reset button and keep holding it down for about 10 to 30 seconds. Just count and make sure that you are around there. And the exact duration can vary by manufacturer and model. This is a tip that watch the router's indicator lights, so they will usually flash, change color, or all go out temporarily, indicating the reset process has begun. Once the lights indicate a reset or after the recommended time, you can release the button. Your router will now restart, which can take a few minutes. All indicator lights should eventually return to their normal operating state. Now, what just happened? Your router is now back to its factory default state. Now, let's access your router settings. This is the first initial step. Once you have factory reset your router, you need to access its configuration page to set up your network securely. First of all is to connect to your router. This is recommended. Use an Ethernet cable. Connect your computer directly to one of the LAN, that is numbered ports. These are the yellow ports on the router using an Ethernet cable. This provides the most stable connection and ensures you don't get disconnected during setup. You can also use via default Wi-Fi, which I wouldn't recommend, but if you don't have any option or you don't have an Ethernet cable, then you can use the default Wi-Fi. Just ensure that you have a strong internet connected to your device. Now open a web browser, just launch your preferred web browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. And now you'll need to enter the router's default IP address. In the address bar, just type in the default IP address. And this is where you can get it. You can get it at the sticker at the back of your router. Just type in this IP address you see at the back of your router and press on enter. You will now be brought in here. You'll see this homepage where you will be prompted for a username, a password, and at times also this SN, which is not in all routers. And use the default credentials as well. They are also found on the router sticker at the back of the router. And in here, just type in those details and press on enter. And you will be brought in here. In here, you can also reset your router by clicking on this reset, by the way. You can see. So now let's configure your Wi-Fi and secure your network. This is the most critical part, so just don't skip these steps. First, we can change the router admin password, which is crucial. This is the most important security step. The default admin password is publicly known and easily accessible or easily guessable. So navigate to just administration or look for something written management, system tools, security, or account management. I have mine in here. I'm just giving you some other options for any other router because this depends on the type of router that you have. Now locate the option to change the router's admin username or password. Create a strong admin password in here. Just fill in the password which was in the sticker as an old password and fill in the new password in here. You just need to confirm. And this is the tips about it. Make sure that the length is at least around 12 to 16 characters. That is ideal. The complexity also, you need to mix uppercase and lowercase letters, some numbers, some special characters like full stop or question mark. Uniqueness also, don't reuse this password anywhere else, and click on save and you will be done. The router may restart and you will need to log back in with your new admin password. Another thing to do is to set a new strong Wi-Fi password, which is the wireless security key. This protects your Wi-Fi network from unauthorized access. So just navigate or stay in the wireless or Wi-Fi section. I have mine in here, the home panel. Just look for wireless security or Wi-Fi like mine, Wi-Fi icon, and click on it. Now enter new Wi-Fi password, fill the passphrase or any password. Just type in your password in here. Create a strong password. Use the same principles as for the admin password and click on save and you will be done. So these are some other recommended security measures. Enable automatic updates if your router supports it. And you can also consider MAC address filtering. This allows you to create a whitelist for only specific devices that can connect to your Wi-Fi based on their unique MAC addresses. And once you have everything, just reconnect your devices. Forget all the network on your device. So on each device, like a phone, laptop, smartphone, smart home devices, smart TV, go to your Wi-Fi settings and forget or delete the old Wi-Fi network profile. Now connect to new network, search for available Wi-Fi networks, select the new SSID you created and enter your new Wi-Fi password. You can now go ahead and test the connection, verify that all your devices are connected and can access the internet. So by following these steps, you will have a freshly reset router with a newly configured secure Wi-Fi network, providing you with a clean slate and enhanced protection for your home. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. This video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.